Today we're going to be unboxing this Boss Audio Systems BRT26A.
Loading, please wait.
This is everything you get in the box here. You get your power cables. There's a remote in there, some nuts and bolts, aux cable and stuff. We have the mounts that are going to go right on the bars, and we have the speaker itself. So I'm going to check how well these are going to fit on the bars. They should fit pretty tight. If not, we'll put some padding in there. So this clip system, it pretty much, you can go anywhere here, and it slides up and down. So you can go from that size to that size. So it will probably fit on most side-by-sides or whatever you're putting on. It could be a boat. I'm gonna plug it in right quick and see if she'll work. Here. The Boss audio speakers here is the BRT26A. Comes with this little remote. It has, for files, I think that's what that is, has the mode, which is Bluetooth and just on. You can skip songs, play, volume, EQ, 0. You can like type in a number. I'm not sure, I think that's for volume there, but I only use these two and those two. It's the only thing that I ever use, but we'll show you how to use it here. There's a few controls on here, but what you want to do to use it is you're going to hit mode once when you first get it. You're going to hit mode once if you're using Bluetooth. Now it's on Bluetooth. Now let's say I want to use my aux. You hit it again. So we're going to go back to Bluetooth. Now we're going to connect. I think it might already be connected. It's already connected. So let's try audio here. So that's the BRT26A. That was actually full volume, but the volume doesn't change much when you turn it down. It goes up to 31 is top volume, which is kind of weird. It's not like a center or like you think you just make it 30, but 31 is top volume. And having it at half volume doesn't do that much, but once you get down to 10, it's big drop-offs down. Once you get all the way down, nothing. But once you get it up, it's loud. And the one thing is we have a stock Polaris, and it's barely loud enough to hear over the motor. So if you really were going to get one, I would get something a little bit bigger than the BRT26A. If you have maybe a aftermarket exhaust or something that's not stock or something that's a little bit louder.
If you could like and subscribe, it would help a lot. And if you wanna watch our other videos and be notified when we post the video, hit the bell icon after you hit the subscribe button.